India's mergers and acquisition market is heating up. From billion-dollar banking deals to tech consolidation, 2025 has already been seeing some big moves. Let's break down India's M&A performance of half of 2025, from numbers to trends and some big deals. So what's the big picture? India has already seen in first 3 months of 2025, $27.5 billion worth of M&A deals, from which domestic deals worth of $21.6 billion, which is 145% increase year on year. And also India's outbound deals has been increased by tripled from the last year, which is India acquiring foreign assets. Let's talk about sector-wise bifurcation of M&A deals. I have written some notes. So energy and power, which is leading the charge. The energy sector deals value worth of $7.3 billion, which is 15 times more than the last year. Financial services. Financial came next with $5.2 billion in deal, including a huge stake sale by Yes Bank to Japan's SMBC, worth $1.5 billion, which is Yes Bank has been sold 20% of their stake to Japan's SMBC. Now talk about media and entertainment. This saw $4.5 billion in deal, a 15.5% increase from the last year, signaling growing investors' interest in content and OTT platforms and broadcasting also. Now let's talk about technology and startup. Despite a global funding slowdown, India still managed $4.8 billion in tech and startup M&A. Sector like enterprise tech, logistics and retail dominated. One major highlight. Major Magma General Insurance was acquired for over $500 million. Now talk about private equity and infrastructure. PE and VC investments are booming, growing 70% in first half of 2025. Infra, real estate and core sector are hot favorites, helped by larger ticket deals and policy boosting like 100% FDI in insurances. These are the key highlight of sectors where the most of the M&A deals actually has been happened in first half of the 2025. Let's talk about some famous deals, which is first one is HUL acquired Minimalist for over $350 million in a consumer space. Bajaj bought Allianz India Insurance JV for $2.83 billion. Wipro expanded its aerospace presence by acquiring France Loire Group. SoftBank is eyeing on AI lead BPO and IT buyout in India. Before wrapping up, I have to talk about two key takeaways. First, India's domestic confidence is growing. As we have seen, India's domestic M&A deals has been increased for 145% year on year, which is a huge advantage for India. As we have seen, clearly rising investments domestically, consolidating and scaling aggressively. Second one is traditional sectors are back in focus. While we have seen tech funding is slowed down, but the sectors like energy, infrastructure and finance has been booming. Thank you so much for watching. Next video will be India's one of the biggest M&A deal, which is HDFC Limited and HDFC Bank.